Yes, it is a SageMaker POC, automated image inference pipeline. User uploads image, AI runs automatically, result comes back. In the step 1, what is user action? User uploads image to cloud storage. Imagine a user uploads an image into cloud storage. What happens next? It will store in Amazon S3, that is input bucket. For example, input is the folder, doc.jpg is the image. The moment the file lands in, it creates an event. That event we are handling in Amazon event bridge. In the Amazon event bridge, what it will do? It detects the event instantly. The event is captured instantly and no human and no button. What happens here? The event will be transferred to Amazon SageMaker ML inference endpoint. This job, when it runs, a model is running. The event trigger a model in a SageMaker. Then the output it stores in Amazon S3. This is the output bucket where the result is will be stored in output folder. The name is result.json. So the model processes the image and writes prediction is back. So if you see that how this SageMaker job is working, and see this here, here it see this. First step is Amazon S3, then Amazon Event Bridge, then Amazon SageMaker. This is how SageMaker image processing will work, and it gives its output to the S3 folder.